Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan from Ryan's Tech Guide, and I'm here to help you with your tech. So tonight we're going to be talking browsers, and we're also talking about bookmarks. People are asking me quite often these days about how to back up their bookmarks from their browsers that they use. So some use Chrome, some use Edge, some use Firefox. So tonight's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick demonstration on how to do that. I'm going to use Chrome as the example, and I'm going to put Chrome bookmarks on Edge and Firefox. So with that, let's just get right into it. So in order to do this, first of all, we're going to launch Chrome. This is an example that I have. I put up 4 bookmarks. So in order to back them up from Chrome, what you do is you go to the top right-hand corner, click on Customize, and you go down to Bookmark Manager. You have the bookmarks here. Click on this little button on the right, and you would go Export Bookmarks. And what it does is it will create an HTML document. So you click Desktop, and you change the name to something that makes sense. I'm going to call it Chrome Bookmarks. Then you click Save. You can close this. You can close up Chrome. So what it did is it saved it on the desktop. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on Edge. So Microsoft Edge is it's a new browser, relatively new to Microsoft. It's replaced Internet Explorer because Internet Explorer was sunsetted this year. This is the one that Microsoft wants people to use. So in order to transfer those bookmarks, you click on the 3 little buttons on the right. Same idea as kind of what Chrome has, but they call it favorites. So it's different. You click on the same little button here, more options, and you click on import favorites. So instead of export, you're importing. But what I would do is you go to import from, and you click on HTML file. And actually, it'll just do the favorites or bookmarks. You choose file, you go here. This is the one we just did. Click open, and we brought the data over. And as you can see now, there are the 4 that I brought over, and that will stay there for as long as possible. If it doesn't show up, you click on the little button here again, click on favorites, and then what you do is you click here to make sure it says show favorites bar. You always make sure it's set to always. Sometimes it'll only show it on new tabs only, but most of the time this is what people want. They want the always. So that's Microsoft Edge. Now the last one is Firefox. So you double click on Firefox. Of course, this is not my primary browser. This is just for demonstration. What you do is here, you click on for quick access, place your bookmarks here, go manage, go import data from another browser. You click on Edge or Chrome. So I click Chrome because that's the original one we do. You can use Edge as well because now it has it. Click next. And of course, it'll save the browsing history. We don't necessarily need that. You can even do saved logins and passwords from Chrome. So if you have a number of those, you can do that as well if you use Firefox. And of course, the bookmarks, click next, and then you go finish. And there it is again. There are the 4 that I did. That's essentially it. So with that, thanks very much for watching the video. I hope you felt this was helpful. If you like what I'm doing with my content, as always, please hit like and subscribe. Please also hit the notification bell on the right. That'll give you more information when I post new content. And with that, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good night.